Welcome to our video on the importance of risk management in Forex prop trading. Forex prop trading is a popular way for traders to make money by using the capital of a proprietary trading firm to execute trades in the foreign exchange market. However, it's important to understand the significant risks associated with this type of trading and how to manage them effectively. In this video, we'll discuss the role of risk management in Forex prop trading and how to find a firm with a solid risk management system. Forex prop trading can be a profitable business, but it's also associated with significant risks. Traders need to be aware of these risks and understand how to manage them effectively. The first step in effective risk management is position sizing. Position sizing refers to the number of lots or units of currency that a trader should risk per trade. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1–2% of your trading account on any given trade. Another essential aspect of risk management is the use of stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an order placed with a broker to sell a security when it reaches a certain price. Stop-loss orders help traders limit their losses and manage their risk effectively. Risk-reward ratios are also an important consideration in Forex prop trading. A risk-reward ratio is the ratio between the potential profit and potential loss of a trade. A good risk-reward ratio is typically 1:2 or higher, meaning that the potential profit is at least twice the potential loss. Having a solid risk management framework in place is crucial for any Forex prop trader. This includes having a well-defined trading plan, following strict risk management guidelines, and using risk management tools such as stop-loss orders and position sizing. When looking for a Forex prop trading firm, it's essential to find one that has a solid risk management system in place. Look for a firm that has strict risk management guidelines and tools in place, as well as a proven track record of managing risk effectively. Thanks for watching our video on the importance of risk management in Forex prop trading. By understanding the significant risks associated with this type of trading and how to manage them effectively, you can increase your chances of success in the Forex prop trading industry. Remember to always practice strict risk management guidelines and look for a firm with a solid risk management system in place.